Pretty cool, huh? And then, so let's go ahead and look at, I can look at design or some photos, but I want to show you this cool thing, history here. And that, again, somebody built that little navigator, very simple. So this is the history of the shoe, starting in 1985, and you can just flick through the different years, and see how the shoes evolved each year if you're really into this stuff, and a lot of people are. So again, you can just see the shoe progress throughout the years. Pretty cool. So let's go back, and here's Nike ID. This is a really cool program where you can make your own shoe. And Nike's been doing this for a while, and it's great. And so it says, shake your iPhone for more examples. So I shake my iPhone, get another one. Shake my iPhone, get another one. And there's an app right here, Nike ID, that I can download to my phone, and it lets me build these custom shoes and order them from Nike right here on my phone. And if I want to find a store that's carrying these nearby, again, it'll find my location and put up some places to carry the shoes. Right? So that's an example of what a Nike ad could look like. And here's another one. This one for Target. I mean, Target's awesome. And time to get inspired. Great. And again, you can have animation bringing these things on. I just click on it. It takes over the screen again. Back to school. So I could play that again, or I could build my own dorm room, let's say. So let's see what that's like. I am a dude who's into fashion, skateboarding, music, sports. I'm going to say music, maybe. Music, and I'm going to Baylor, Berkeley, and pick my school, Michigan. So let's build my room, and it's going to put up all this stuff that they carry, this Michigan furniture here. I want a beanbag chair, let's say, and I want a wall clock, and, I don't know, let's say a Michigan rug. And again, I can just look at my shopping list here, and it shows me everything, and I can just go buy it if I want to. I can find a Target store, either near me or near my school, because I don't want to lug all this stuff back there, right? It's that simple. So, and again, I can return to my app anytime I want. So that's an example of 3 ads that are very easy to make, right? And in addition to ad agencies being able to make these things, there are hundreds of thousands of iPhone app developers that know how to make those things. So we think this is going to be pretty exciting. Emotion plus interactivity. The ads keep you in your app. So you're much more likely to click on them and want to go explore them, because you can always get back with just a touch. They're built into iPhone OS. iAd is, the framework is, so it's really easy for developers to add iAd opportunities to their app. Apple will sell and host the ads, and the developer will get the majority of the revenue. So that is iAd, and that is our 7th tentpole. So let's review. Multitasking, folders, dramatically enhanced mail client, iBooks, much deeper enterprise features, a preview of GameKit, and iAd. And these are just 7 of the over 100 user features and over 1,500 new developer APIs in iPhone 4. Now, we are releasing a developer preview today. Developers can start testing it now, can start using these new APIs now to enhance their apps, and you can get it today at developer.apple.com. We are releasing it to end users for iPhone and iPod Touch this summer, and that's for the iPhone 3GS and the iPod Touch 3rd generation. That is iPods that we shipped last fall in 32 and 64 gigabyte models. And they will run pretty much everything. And For iPhone 3G and iPod Touch 2nd generation, they will run many things. But there are some things they will not run because the hardware doesn't support them, like multitasking. So iPhone 3 and iPod Touch 2nd generation will not support the multitasking. The hardware just can't do it. But iPhone 3GS and iPod Touch 3rd generation will support everything you've seen today. So summer. And we're bringing iPhone OS 4 to the iPad this fall. All these features on the iPad. So that's iPhone OS 4. And I really want to thank you for coming today.